Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we're diving into a common problem that developers face when transitioning their apps from a development environment to a testing environment. The challenge lies in ensuring that the environment variables are correctly set to reflect the desired environment. Let's jump straight into the solution. In the babel.config.js file, we make a simple tweak to ensure that the correct environment variables are read during the build process. By specifying the path to the environment file, such as .env.dev, .env.qa, .env.ut, we can control which set of variables are loaded. This approach ensures that the node_env variable reads as ut or qic during the expo prebuild command, aligning with the desired environment. To sum it up, by updating the path in the babel.config.js file, we can achieve the desired behavior of having the node_env variable set to ut or qa during the expo prebuild command. This simple but effective solution allows for a smooth transition between different environments and ensures that the app behaves as expected. That's all for today's video. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!